Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will learn about manual advertising product targeting. So as we have already learned automatic advertising and manual advertising keyword targeting, so we will learn the another part of manual advertising, which is product targeting. So in manual advertising, if you are running any ad, so please make sure you are running keyword targeting and product targeting side by side, as you don't know which will give you good result. So make sure if you are running any ad for a particular product, so it should be both keyword targeting as well as product targeting. Many of the times keyword targeting gives you good result, and many of the time product targeting will give you good result. So it's better to be in the both the side advertising for at least 15-20 days. You will be able to know which product is giving good result in which type of advertising, and you can stop the another one, right? So in the beginning, please make sure you're starting with both the targeting, which is manual keyword targeting and manual product targeting. So let's dig in and let's start with our product targeting advertising. So come to Amazon Seller Central homepage. The start of product targeting is same as the start of keyword targeting. We need to generate the report first. So till the report, everything is same. So click on this three line, advertising and campaign manager. Click on sponsor ad reports. In the left hand side, create a report. Everything is same. Okay, sponsor product, search term, summary, select your date range, click save. If you want to give any customized name, if you want to enter your email ID, and click on now and click on run reports. So you will get a download option within 1 minute. So refresh the page or just wait for like next 10 or 15 seconds and then refresh the page. So it is ready, and then click on download and then open the file. I have downloaded the Excel, but this time I have downloaded it in Google Sheet. Okay, so if you are downloaded in Excel format, it is okay, both are the same. Then select all, click on data, sort, and then first we need to sort it by the click-through ratio, same as we were doing for our keyword targeting. Sort. As you can check, click-through ratio started with 100. Okay, so I will scroll down and I will delete everything which is below 10%. So from 739 till the end, I will delete everything. So again, I will select all, data, sort, and now I will select click, which is K column. So I will select K and I want Z to A. That means a bigger number first and smaller number last, means largest to smallest, and then sort. Now if you can check, in I'm getting 76554. Okay, so now in keyword we used to directly get the keyword, right? But in product targeting you will just get a sign. So in this report, as we have downloaded this report from our automatic advertising, as we had talked earlier, as we has discussed earlier, in automatic advertising we select multiple products. So this report has multiple product keywords and product targeting. So by the name of ASN, we don't know which product is inside. So first you need to select which product targeting you want to start, and then you need to search each and every ASN in Amazon.in. Yes, each and every. This might be a bit lengthy process, but you need to do this process if you want to start a product targeting advertising. So right now I am planning to start a product targeting advertise for my torch lighter product. So I will select all the ASIN. So for that, first you need to open Amazon.in, copy this ASIN and search on Amazon. So there is no product for this, means this product has been stopped selling on Amazon. Then select next ASIN, come to Amazon and paste. This is swing kit, again not related to my product. This is a boxing bag again. This is an umbrella, again not for my product. Again an umbrella. again an umbrella. So as you can see, this is a hectic process. Again an umbrella. So in keywords we can check whether which keyword is matching to our product, but in ASIN number we need to open each and every ASIN, right? So right now, so you need to plan which product you want to start with your product advertising, your product targeting advertising. So right now I am planning with umbrella, so I want to advertise my umbrella. So I need to open each and every ASIN. So click on new tab, open amazon.in and search for each and every ASIN. So this is nothing related to my product. Again, next, so you need to each and every product. So this is a sewing kit, okay, nothing related to my product. Again, go to amazon.in, search for new product. This is a bag, again not my product. So this is an umbrella, right? This is umbrella. So this is one of the keyword which is matching my product. So I will just give him a color. Again, scroll down. This is again an umbrella, okay, similar to my product. This one is again an umbrella, okay. So this is the way you need to copy from the sheet or from your Excel and go to amazon.in and search for that product. Then only you will be able to know which product is in that particular ASIN. And you cannot randomly select any ASIN because you need to know which product you are targeting. So again, this is an umbrella. This one is again an umbrella. So as you can check, it took time for me in the beginning, but now I am getting the product which I am selecting. Again a bag, not my product. This is an black umbrella, again similar to my product. This one is again my umbrella. So I have selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. So make sure when you are using product targeting, you at least select 10 ASINs. Okay, so I will select 10 ASINs for you now. This one is again an umbrella. So this might take a while. Okay, so I'm just doing this for one product. So if you have multiple products, you know it is going to take time. Okay, so again, this is an umbrella. So you need to have patience, you need to work really hard. Okay, so you cannot expect that miracle happens all of a sudden. If you work hard, then definitely miracle is going to happen, but without any hard work, your product is not going to increase its visibility, is not going to increase its sale. So I have selected 10 ASINs. Now I will go to Amazon ad. Okay, I will click on sponsor ad and campaign manager. So we will start our product targeting advertising. So click on create campaign. Click on sponsor product. You need to give a name again. So first write your date, then which product you are targeting, then what is your budget for this particular advertising. I am repeating one thing again, please make sure while you are doing product targeting, you don't stop your keyword targeting ad. You need to run both of them simultaneously because you don't know in which advertising your product is going to perform well. So at least run both type of advertise for at least 15 to 20 days, and after that you can decide whether your product is performing well, that particular product is performing well in product targeting or keyword targeting, and that time you can pause the another one. Right, so please make sure at least for 15-20 days you are running both the ads simultaneously. So after you scroll down, you have to search for your product. You can go to Amazon as well. Okay, so in keyword targeting or in product targeting, okay, if I am selecting a product, okay, so it should be a same product, because if I am targeting a product, it should be similar to my product. In keyword targeting as well, if you are targeting any keywords, it should match your product. So please don't use two different products. If they are in same category, if they have a variation change, you can select those products in one advertising, but two different products cannot be selected. So here I am selecting all of these 5 products because all are umbrellas and all the product targeting are similar to this product. Okay, so I'm selecting all the 5 products. In targeting, I will select manual targeting, and here I will select product targeting. So in product targeting, again, first one is category, second one is individual product. So I will select individual product over here because I will give proper ASINs for all the product which I want to target. Amazon will suggest you which products you can target. So in keyword targeting, Amazon was suggesting you keywords. In product targeting, Amazon will suggest you products which you can target. There is no guarantee from such suggestion that you will get a proper response, so please skip that. Next to that is search. If you want to search for a ASIN one by one, you can do that. Next to it is enter list. So I will again select all the ASIN which we have selected. I will copy that ASIN and I will paste here. So all the ASINs are here. So in bid, it is again suggested, custom bid and default bid. So again, always go with suggested bid. In filter by, you have two options. First one is exact. So for this particular product only, your product is going to advertise, this advertising is going to run. And another one is expanded. That means similar to such product, your product will be advertised. So please do not select expanded and only select exact, because we know the exact result for this particular product. We have a proper report where in this exact product only our advertising was performing well in automatic advertising. And then click on target. So again, each product targeting, each product has its own bidding. So as you can check, product targeting is a bit costlier than keyword targeting and automatic advertising, but getting good result is definitely, getting a good result is 100% sure in product targeting. So right now we have suggested, but as you can see, check, suggested was 16.16, but Amazon is giving you a range of 5 rupees to 121 rupees. Okay, so it can be either 4 rupees, 5 rupees or 6 rupees, or either 80 or 90 rupees. So right now we will go with suggested bid only. Scroll down. In negative product targeting, after running for 15-20 days, if you got to know the product which are not performing well, but you are burning your cash, burning your money, right, you can just unselect from the targeting option and you can shift that particular ASIN to negative product targeting. So your advertising will stop appearing in those particular product. After that, campaign bidding strategy, again the same one, bidding, dynamic bid up and down, dynamic bids down only and fixed. So up and down is 100% up and down. For example, if a bidding price is 100 rupees, then 100% means it can go up to 200 rupees or it can get down to 50 rupees. Down only means only 100% down, and fixed bid means the bidding rate which you have given, that particular amount will only be debited after you received a click. So always go with dynamic bid down only. Scroll down, copy your ad group name and paste in campaign name. Start date you can select, but please never mention your end date. Daily budget, so as you can check, the bidding price was also high, so daily budget for this suggested is also high. So you can click on suggested over here because this is already high. We don't want to spend more on product targeting as we are running keyword targeting ads side by side. And then click on launch campaign. So your product targeting manual advertising is successfully done, and within next 5 minutes all your product targeting would be live on those particular products which you have selected and which you have given to Amazon. So please make sure you have written all the pointers which were important in this lecture, and please comment down below what all things you learned from this lesson. Thank you so much.